Do you really need milk at the age of 50? What kind of needs do you have? And had you really needed milk till the age of 50, then mothers would have produced milk all their life so that the kids can be breastfed. And 60 years old would have been breastfed. Prakriti knows very well that only for 6 months or so does the kid need the mother's milk. So for that duration, the mother does lactate. But then the food industry, it says you keep on having milk. Why? And it's not human milk that you are having. If humans must have milk, then let them have human milk. Have you ever looked at a sand? You know what I mean. A bull. For how long has it had milk? For how many months has a bull had a cow's milk?
6 months.
6 months. And see what kind of burly bull it is. Is it still drinking milk? But look at its shape, size and vigor. Or look at an elephant. Elephants too are mammals. An elephant kid too must have had milk. For how many months? For how many months? I don't know, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year. And look at the shape of an elephant. Has the shape been gained because of milk consumption? No, milk was needed only for the first few months. And thereafter you don't need milk. And you're still a big elephant. But human beings have bought into the idea that unless they drink milk, they will remain dwarfs. They don't even look at the elephant and ask, but this one has never been drinking milk. How has it grown so big? Even whales are mammals, you know. How does a whale grow so big? By drinking milk. Whale too must have had milk, I suppose. But for how long? Humans, if at all. And here all kinds of old ones, young ones, sick ones, big ones,
Oh, the wrestling one.
small ones, wrestling ones.
Oh, wrestler has a wedding unless you have milk.
Huh?
How will you be a wrestler unless you have milk?
Will you go and search for the list of vegan athletes around the world? Do that right now, vegan athletes, and you will find some big names there. How are they competing? No milk products at all. And they are competing big time. A wrestler might be a drunkard as well. Does it mean that he is succeeding because of the liquor? Yes? How do you know that a wrestler is succeeding because of the milk? How do you know that?